Specializing in metal processing solutions, the CNHAWE Press Brake Series. The HPA Flagship CNC Press Brake ensures high-precision bending, boosting production efficiency by 30% and reducing energy consumption by 25%. Diverse optional configurations adapt to varied needs. Designed for ultra-thick and extra-long plates, the Large Bend series serves industries like automotive, energy, and steel structures, supporting customized solutions. The HPC Economic model balances efficiency and cost. Its energy-saving design cuts production costs, flexibly fitting small to medium-scale production lines. Engineered for fast and precise metal processing, the electric servo press brake excels in high-accuracy components for home appliances, machinery, and equipment enclosures. The tandem press brake handles extra-long workpieces effortlessly. Operate independently or in tandem for enhanced flexibility in large part production. The Torsion-sync CNC press brake offers reliability and economy, meeting basic bending needs in automotive, construction, and other industries. Our advanced robotic bending system enables fully automated, 24/7 operation, significantly cutting labor costs and operational risks. CNHAWE, where every bend fully satisfies your fabrication needs. For product details or custom solutions, visit our website or contact us. CNHAWE, technology driving efficient production.